Yo, got my first order for today. It is a Jack in the Box. This is $10 and some change, going about 5.5 miles. I've never been to this Jack in the Box before, so I don't even know if it's gonna be open. Drive-through maybe? Morning. Yeah, figured. Thank you so much. There you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Oh, here we go, finally. Got a Sherry's, $9.75 going 3 miles. For Zach. Thank you. Okay, total ended up being $10.75. Not bad at all. And I just got my next order. This is a 7-Eleven. I think it's alcohol. $9.75 going 1 mile. She ordered like 5 tall boys and a Slurpee. Very interesting order for 8 o'clock in the morning on a rainy Sunday. Yeah, she was coughing up a storm. I am not letting her touch my phone. Got my next order. This is a Seize the Bagel, $12 going 3 miles. Thank you. Got my next order lined up after this. It is a Starbucks, $8 going 2 miles.
It's for Alexis.
Thank you.
You have a safe drive.
Thank you. Oh my God, what are these instructions? What the bro? 2 paragraphs of instructions here.
Hi.
Can I get a name?
Lexi, Alexis.
Gotcha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I like how they said to text them 5 minutes before arriving so they can meet me outside when they live 3 minutes away. Like, I didn't even finish reading your instructions by the time I got there. Whatever, I got my next order. This is a different Starbucks. $9.75 going 2.5 miles. You too. Total ended up being $10.75 for that order. Small hidden tip, I'll take it. And I got my next order. This is a McDonald's, $10 and some change going 4 miles. Thank you.
And your code?
Thank you.
BC3.
Do I take this? I'm taking it. This is $14.75 going 5 miles for AutoZone. I've never done one of these before. And for the item details, all it's telling me is that it's 1 AutoZone order. So I have no idea what I'm even picking up.
It's the passenger side.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Got it?
Thank you. Do you need to scan anything?
Let me double check because I'm not sure. I haven't done one of these before.
I didn't know they would do it.
Just got my next order. This is a Sherry's, $7.25 going 2.5 miles.
Okay, there we go. There we go, honey.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $12.25 going 6 miles, 2 items. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order up is another shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $13.25 going 4 miles, 3 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
There we go.
Good enough for me. Next order up is Victor Rico's, $10.25 going under 6 miles. Thank you. Just got another Victor Rico's. This one is $13 and some change going under 7 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Can I go through here, do you know?
Yeah, you have to go to the front, go around.
Bro, are you... wasting my time. All right, I'm done. I've had enough of this. Current time is 11:58. Current total is 140. And if I get full pay on that last order, should be 150 for the day. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.